Construction crews continue to work around the clock to get the future home of the Buffalo Bills ready for next season. Earlier this month marked a major milestone, laying down the field. To help make that happen, two out-of-state companies spent years of hard work behind the scenes. The Kentucky bluegrass, laid down in Orchard Park at the beginning of October, is on the younger side, only having grown for about a year before installation. With the stadium not opening until next summer, this gives the organization time to groom it just in time for winter. The drainage system to pump and remove air and water, and a heating system to keep the grass growing through winter. Underneath, the grass is gravel, then sand where the irrigation and heating systems sit. Every field area will have heating controls, allowing the Bills to maintain constant 60-degree surface temperatures. Ultra-wide concourses between sections, a major change from the narrow corridors of the existing stadium, and new seating that was installed in recent weeks. Renderings released for Transportation Hub at new Highmark Stadium. More details have emerged about plans to build a transportation hub outside the new Highmark Stadium in Orchard Park. This comes as part of the Community Benefits Agreement. Officials are targeting a location on Abbott Road near Southwestern Boulevard on the side of the street where the current stadium is. The facility would include approximately 650 square feet of enclosed space and a 2,500 square foot covered canopy area for Niagara Frontier Transportation Authority riders. The new Highmark Stadium would, indeed, be game-ready as the Bills' 2026 season approaches. While local concerns surfaced that work on the stadium had fallen behind schedule over the past winter.